अब ओके yeah were you facing any network issues?
Don't know about that.
So anyway, tell me, Naman, from your knowledge, why are the Indian startups failing?
Because people are not motivated. They do business for money and fame.
But that is also one kind of motivation, right? Money and fame.
No, that is not motivation. That is materialistic motivation. The main
Yeah,
motive
motivation can
should
be
be
anything.
to improve lives of people, not earning money and fame. Improve lives, money and fame will come behind you, will run back.
No, we can also say that you see, for example, if you start a business to earn a huge amount of money or to become a millionaire, then
Hmm.
maybe you can succeed if provided if you know that in order to become a millionaire, you have to solve a problem in the marketplace.
Oh,
So if
if
you
you want to become a millionaire, go get a job now. Why you are doing that?
जॉब से कैसे मिलियनर बनता है भाई? तुम जो जॉब करते हो कभी मिलियनर बन पाओगे? या मैं जो जॉब करता हूँ मिलियनर बन
Yes,
पाऊँ?
I can become a millionaire if I do a job. Why would I go do a startup then? If,
Then you would become a millionaire at the age of 60. You have to work your extremely hard.
see, people cannot pull up till the age of 60 a startup. All right. And second thing, people say there's a saying. All right. If success comes early, it is bound to crash. It is bound to, what is that? If success comes early, uh, it is bound to be short lived. All right. So thinking long term is the best option. If you are an investor, think long term. Short term will not suffice. I
What
can
are some
become a
other reasons?
millionaire. What are some other reasons? Second
Apart
reason
from
is lack of experience.
lack of experience. But Naman, don't you
Hmm.
think experience comes by doing things? I mean, you would get experience only when you start doing things. Now, for example,
Ah,
if you are running a startup, you get to do new
hmm.
things. You do some challenging things,
I'm
and
not
that's how you
speaking
get
about.
experience.
I am not speaking about. You know, I'm not speaking about doing registering your company, doing that, doing this. These are like basic things. All right, these anybody can do. Just read on the internet. They will give you everything is available on internet. But the real experience which I'm talking about, what you have done previously in the industry before starting a startup, right? You should know the industry, the ins and outs of industry. Just by researching and theoretically doing that, you won't have that much capacity, except if it's in a new invention, sort of like that. All right. If you don't work in the industry, you want to do a business, you're bound to fail.
But do you think all entrepreneurs do that? Because you see, there are many people who drop out of college. They don't even get a
Why?
degree.
Which entrepreneur has dropped out of college? Tell me.
Lot of people, like Steve Jobs, simple example.
Steve
He
Jobs.
didn't had any kind of experience. He didn't knew anything about
Which
the Apple
college?
technology.
Which college did Steve Jobs attend in?
Reed College,
Okay. You know what is Reed College?
the popular college in America.
You know what is Reed College?
It's a college. It's a university, a popular university in
Uh,
America. Yeah.
uh, did he get admission in Reed College?
No, 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 nothing like. But he dropped out. The
No.
ultimate thing is he dropped out. He didn't get any job. He
He,
didn't completed his degree.
see, the thing is, in the end, how many doctorate degrees does he have? How many? Famous dropout, Bill Gates. He has a degree. He was awarded a degree later. The thing
Later,
is, people think that they become a dropout and they'll be a millionaire. That's a foolish talk. All right, that's a minority part. You have to look about the majority part. Yeah, if you think and like an entrepreneur, na, you will be not be making this question. If you have the blood of or not entrepreneur, if you have blood of a businessman, you won't be thinking like this.
but
You think about de-risking yourself, not bringing risk freely, right?
hmm.
You have to de-risk.
No, I was just asking this question because you said that you need to have a lot of experience in the industry that you are
Ah,
going to
so
launch your startup. But what about those
so
entrepreneurs who don't have any experience at all? They just drop out of college and start their startup and become a millionaire. What about them? They
they
didn't
did
have any
not drop out
experience.
of college. First thing, they did not develop their product. They were not the ones who developed the product. Steve Jobs did not develop the product. He just marketed the product,
Yeah,
and
that
he
I
was a
know.
marketer. Bill Gates did not. Bill Gates to fully copied people. Mark Zuckerberg copied,
Yeah, so
right?
that is why I'm saying that
So
there is
dropout is
also a
not an option
possibility
for
of.
everyone. Dropout is never an option for anyone. If you are a businessman, if you are a father of son of a businessman, very successful businessman, you will be forced to study. You will be forced to give a good education. It's not forced, but it is said. All right. If you don't know how to talk, how to do business, how to what the business is, it is always taught in the college. Study hard, you will understand what. Richard Feynman, quantum computing. He was an ordinary person. He told that I studied very hard. I became an extraordinary person. Understood?
But like you said that in order to learn about business, you have to study very hard in college. But don't you think that it is contradicting with what Elon Musk said? Elon Musk has said that college is not for learning; it is basically
Well,
for fun.
let go of Elon Musk. I'm just
Yeah, he
coming
said
one,
that,
huh?
right? Yeah. Hello in there.
अच्छा हड़ताल किस चीज का? अरे ये क्या अरित्रो?
Yeah,
So many people are like waiting in like
so many people
Vidisha's
are
room,
waiting, but I have allowed them to join, right?
but like they said they were in some strike and kind of.
Nandini, in there, I have also, wait, Naman,
Just let them in na, let in them.
they are not joining. I have already allowed them the permission to let them in room number 1. It is saying they are not joined. Naman also has not joined.
Why they are not? Why? Yeah, that's why. What's the reason?
That I don't know. They are not joining. I don't know.
Okay,
I have already assigned them to room number 1.
okay, okay. So I'm going and I'll try to be join this room. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
बोलो
बोलो
बोलना भाई.
तुम भी try करो क्या?
What happened, guys? What are you
Silent.
doing here? I have already assigned you to
अरे
breakout room.
Yeah, we have some network problems, Horitro. We are facing some network
All
problems.
of them
Every
same.
time we are going mute. Yeah, we are facing. See, nobody is having.
All of you are facing same network problem. Network issue. What is okay in there?
okay, Vidisha. Yeah.
Let's join breakout.
No, let's continue here. Let let's not waste any time. A lot of time is getting wasted in getting in and out of breakout room. In there,
Naman has already joined breakout room.
then let him stay here. In there, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. So tell me, why do most startups fail?
Why the most startup fail? Okay.
Most Indian startup, especially. Why
Actually,
are Indian startup failing? Yeah, it was your topic. Tell me.
okay. I don't think so. Only Indian startup fail. Like other startup also fail. The thing is maybe it's depend on that startup and the people how they're leading. Sometimes it's some startup fail due to economically like funding issue. Some they, like due to staff and team.
Anything else? Hello. Okay, Nandini, can you hear me? Nandini is rejoining again. Okay, Bidisha, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, so are you interested in startups, startup, entrepreneurship, business? Are you interested in those topics?
Not very much.
Why not?
I'm not startup. Like starting a small startup is a very challenging part. First of all, like you have to manage a lot of things, depending on certain like ideas, how to start, and all those things. So one time startup is good, but at the same time there is some also risk factor which matters. So I feel that startup is okay, but not it's not very good according to me,
So,
because
as
there are
you
a lot of risk factor which people have to or has to undergo.
mm, okay, so as you said that there is a lot of challenge and lot of risk factor in opening a startup. So, do you think that is the main reason why most of the Indian people don't start their own business?
It might be so.
The voice is echoing. Okay, it might be.
It might happen like that.
Why are they going away? I don't understand. Naman left, they left, everyone is leaving. I don't understand. So you are not planning to do any startup any soon, right?
No, not.
So because of the reason that it is very challenging, that's the reason.
Yes.
No, I am asking is since startup is very challenging and there's a lot of risk factor involved, so that is the reason you don't want to do any startup.
Mm. See, I'm not sure about this startup things and all. Uh, so I don't have any much of idea about that.
Okay, no issue. Okay, since everyone has left, let's end the meeting for today.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay.